Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today under the chapter Arithmetic Progression, let's see what is the question that we have. Now moving on to the question, it is given that so that A1, A2, An form an AP where An is defined as below. An is equal to 3 plus 4n. Now let us see how we can solve this question. Solution.
So friends, as per the question, we need to prove that A1, A2, An forms an AP when An is equal to 3 plus 4n. So they have given us the data like An is equal to 3 plus 4n. So with this data, we need to prove that A1, A2, An forms an arithmetical progression. So guys, what we can do, let us first solve this equation because they have given An is equal to 3 plus 4n. So when n is equal to 1, what we are getting, let us see, because we are going to extract the values of a1, a2, a3, a4, so that we can find out if they are having any common difference, and if the common difference is consistent, then we can say that it forms an arithmetic progression. So a1 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 1, or that is equal to 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. So guys, we got the value of A1 as 7. Now similarly, when n is equal to 2, A2 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 2, that is equal to 3 plus 8, that is equal to 11. A3 is equal to, when n is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, that is equal to 3 plus 12, that is equal to 15. 3 plus 12, that is equal to 15. When n is equal to 4, 3 plus 4 into 4, that is equal to 3 plus 16, that is equal to 18. That's all guys. I'm not moving ahead, going to calculate any further terms of the AP or any further values of the AP. So we got the value of A1, A2, A3, A4. Now let's see what is the common difference we are getting. In first case, A4 minus A3 is equal to 18 minus 15, that is equal to 3. I am taking the difference of this one, A4 minus A3. Then I will take A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. I am getting 15 minus 11, that is equal to 15 minus 11, that is equal to 4. And guys, just it is 3 plus 4 into 4, that is 16. So here the answer is 19. And when I am subtracting A4, when I'm finding the common difference, A4 minus A3, so I'm getting 19 minus 15, that is equal to 4. Similarly, I'm going to find out A2 minus A1. I'm going to check for each and every place so that if we are getting a common difference or not. Now A2 minus A1 is nothing but 11 minus 7, that is equal to 4. So guys, we could see that we are getting the differences are 4 and these are consistent. So therefore we can easily say that the values for A1, A2 up to An forms an arithmetic progression because we are getting a common difference of 4. Now guys, we are moving ahead to find out the value of S15 because that was a part of the question. We need to find out S15. So going to find out S15, we very well know the formula for like this arithmetic, the sum of the arithmetic progression formula, and we are going to use that formula and we are going to calculate S15. But before that, we need to find out the value of A15. With the help of the above equation, we are going to find out the value of A15. I can write, here they have given An is equal to 3 plus 4n. I can write A15 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 15. Or I can write A15 is equal to 3 plus 60, that is equal to 63. So we got the value of A15 as 63. Now taking this value and putting in the sum of the arithmetic equation formula, let's see what we are getting. We know that 2Sn is equal to n into a1 plus an. This is the sum of the arithmetic progression. Now when n is equal to 15, because they asked us to find out S15, so I can write 2S15 is equal to 15 into a1. So we got the value of a1 is 7. So I will put 7 plus a15, or before that let me write out like this so that it will not create confusion. A1 plus a15, because we are taking the value of n is 15. Now I can write 2s15 is equal to 15 into 7 plus 63. We got the value of a15 as 63. Or I can write 2s15 is equal to 15 into 70. Or I can write s15 is equal to 15 into 70 by 2. So that is equal to 15 into 35. Okay. Or I can write s15 is equal to 15 into 35. So 35 into 15, if I do 5 5s are 25, 5 are 15, 16, 17 and 3, 5, 2, 4, 5. So I am getting S15 is equal to 525. That's all guys. This is our answer. We got S15 as 525. So you could see that we very well worked out the questions that they have asked, whether it forms an arithmetic progression or not. So we got that okay, it forms an arithmetic progression, and they asked us to find out the value of S15, and we got the value of S15 as 525. That's all friends. So guys, I believe you understood this calculation, but if you have any questions or doubts, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Please don't forget to subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.